Hello and welcome to the chemistry AQA video on amines, which you need to know for A2 chemistry. Now let's go through what a primary and secondary amine is. So a primary amine will look like this, and so it has one R group. Now a secondary amine, unlike alcohols, is named a little bit differently. It's going to have two R groups, okay? So we're going to have R2 R1. Make sure we include our lone pair. And as you can guess, the tertiary amine is going to have three R groups. Okay. Now these are very useful compounds for reactions in industry because they're actually very reactive. So that's why they're very good for synthesis, very fast. Now let's talk about. Also because of this, lone pair, they're going to be they're actually a good base. Certainly secondary and amine. And certainly secondary amines are good bases. But let's talk about bases a bit more here. Okay, I've written it down. We're going to talk about the inductive effect. So as you can see here, okay, this explains why the secondary amine is a better Bronsted-Lowry base than the primary amine. Because this R group, the alkyl group, will release electrons away from itself and go towards the nitrogen atom. So therefore the electron density at the nitrogen will increase, and this means it's a better base. A Bronsted-Lowry base is a proton acceptor. An acid is a proton donor. So hence the improvement in its ability of accepting this proton. Okay, now so, as we can see here, I've said that secondary is better than primary. However, tertiary is not better than secondary. And this is not true, okay? The fact that basically a tertiary is worse, okay? So, tertiary is worse than a secondary amine because it's less soluble / insoluble. Okay? Now on to the withdrawal effect. Okay, RL groups will withdraw electrons, and therefore it's going to be a worse base. These are actually the worst base in the sense of primary, secondary amines. And this is due to this delocalized ring of electrons in the benzene. Okay, aryl, not alkyl. So as I've drawn here, hopefully that will explain it to you, because before an alkyl is like this. Okay, as you can see, the electrons are going there, but here the electrons are going there, into the sort of electron density of the benzene. Chromatography, you just need to know this equation. Okay, you just need to know that happens. And what do I do about hydrolysis? Oh no, I didn't do hydrolysis here. Yeah, so that's basically what you need to know for amines.